puppy dog. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Checking out your blankets all clean and fresh. Hey, pups. Are you playing? Are you playing? Look at you guys. Four weeks old. Looks like they're walking around pretty good. They got their eyes open. They've been wormed. They're starting to eat puppy food. So we get in there closer. They've had their little nails trimmed. They were getting pretty long and sharp. Come on, let's see some action. Let's see some action, you little buggers. Come on. Come on, puppy dogs. Come on, puppy dogs.
Tap on the pool. Sometimes that works.
Maybe.
Yeah. Not so hard.
Wake it up. Wake it up. Oh, got an escape artist. This pool is not going to last much longer. Breaking out. Breaking out of the pool. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hopefully they'll be potty trained before you guys go to your new homes. Maybe they'll go on the pads more. I don't know. We'll see. That's what we're working on. Going on the pad. Look at that. Oh, picking on your brothers. Picking on your brothers, aren't you? You big sissies picking on their brothers. Puppy dogs. Puppy dogs. They're puppy dogs. There's a... Yes, sister. She's so mean. She's so mean. Oh. Usually more active in the morning. This is afternoon, so... Oh, we got some action going. We got some action going. Yeah. Okay. I think that's good. Why is it not going off?